Okay, so volumes of a sphere. Let's draw a sphere. Let's make it look like a sphere with a bit of shading, and it's in the middle of the ball. Basically, a sphere is a ball, yeah.
Yeah.
And do you remember the
It's like 4
volume?
over 3 or something.
Well done. 4/3 pi r cubed. I remember it because I think cubed means volume, and 4/3 because a lot of these things are 1/3 and 4/3 and 4 and stuff like that. Surface area, I should write essay, isn't it? Surface area of a ball or a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Can you see there's got all these links between them? Squared means area,
Is
cubed
this on
means
the formula
volume.
sheet?
Yeah, so you don't really need
Even
to.
the surface area one?
Yeah, all there.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to worry really. Okay, so anyway, that's surface area. Now let's see if we can get a bit clever and say you've got a hemisphere. What is a hemisphere?
It's a half sphere.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, now they won't give you a hemisphere, right? Because they've already given you a sphere. Okay, so it's a
You just
circular.
divide it by 2.
Exactly. So I want to see how super clever you can be. What would you say is the formula for volume of a hemisphere?
Mm, I don't know.
2/3 pi r cubed. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And surface area, what would you say is that?
2 pi r squared.
No, well, it's kind of, yeah. It's half. Okay, sorry, I should have said plus the base. That just makes it too easy, isn't it? Yeah.
What do you mean plus the base?
Okay, so let me clear that a little bit. Okay, so when you did 2 pi r squared, you just half the surface area of the whole ball. But the thing with the hemisphere, it has a base as well. Do you know that?
Oh,
You expose the inside of the ball, so you add. What do you add?
the circular part.
Yeah, it's pi r squared. So altogether, it's 3 pi r squareds.
Okay.
Anyway, cone. Cone is a bit more interesting.
It's like a third or something.
Yes, see, they've all got similarities. You know, can you see that? It's got the third going on there as well. So you got
Like the times it by L and
yes,
like
L is the slanted height, H is the straight up
vertical one.
height, vertical height. Not very vertical in my drawing, or they call it the perpendicular height because it's
Yeah.
perpendicular right angle to the base. So volume is 1/3. Okay, do you remember it?
Well, I've never done it.
Well, I'm just gonna. You can
I
just.
just substitute it in.
Yeah, because you mean you get it in the formula, yeah? Formula
Yeah.
sheet. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you something that you don't get in the formula sheet, which is volume of any pyramid. One
Is it a
third.
third times base area times height?
Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna write base for short and times by height. Now, guess what is also a pyramid?
The
A
cone.
cone, yeah, and the area of the base of the cone is pi r squared. So you just, even though you get this, and then the height, of course, yeah. So it gives you a better
What's the
picture.
L for though?
Oh, that is used for the surface area of just the top bit, yeah, the not including the base.
So,
So it's simply pi r l, and you get that
does
in the
that come
formula.
in the formula
Yeah,
sheet?
you get that in the formula sheet.
And you plus the base, right?
And then, if yes, this tricky thing, yeah. Sometimes people don't understand. That's the thing about not just relying on the formula sheet without any understanding. So the formula sheet tells you the surface area of the. They tell you. They say the curved surface area, yeah, which means the top bit. Okay,
Mhm.
that's pi r. And just like you said, you're right. Basically, the whole surface area, because sometimes that's what they ask in the question. What's the whole surface area? You say pi r l. Well, you substitute the numbers in for pi. I mean r and l, yeah. Plus the base, which is obviously pi r squared. Does that make sense?
So you do pi times radius
Yeah. So
times the length. And you add the space, basically.
Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
cool. And that is
Have we done
it.
surface area prisms?
Well, remember when I asked you about? So, what do you know how to do work out surface area? That's it.
Oh,
That's
so we've done that, so I can tick it off.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.